show in 10 minutes.
Every Sunday afternoon in Paw, Michigan, we're doing it and join the cast. We sing for all the folks in Paw, Michigan.
Sometimes she gets bossy, but we have a blast.
So if you need advice in Paw, Michigan, just listen for the horn to blow. Every Sunday afternoon, live from the garage, the dear Edwina Show. Why should we listen to Edwina?
Who says her voice is cool?
All these dances are girls. So if you ever find yourself in Paw, Michigan, looking high and low for something fun to do, just open up a map of Paw, Michigan. Go to 427 Berkshire Avenue. There'll be music, there'll be dancing, there'll be laughs and more. So if you need advice in Paw, Michigan, we'll tell you everything we know. Every Sunday afternoon, live from the garage, at the dear Edwina Show.
Places for showtime. Am I talking to a wall here? I said places. I'm ready, Edwina. Well, that makes one of us. Kelly, can you please stay in line with everyone else?
Is it my fault I have such a high extension?
Bart, back in line. Kelly, watch Becky's head. What are you staring at?
You're beautiful when you're angry.
I can't talk to you now. I'm late for a very important meeting with my set designer, lighting designer, and producer. Daddy!
What's with her? Don't you remember?
Who's she?
Who's she? The tail's about her. Likes to move fast.
Advice on Pizza? It's only the biggest advisory convention ever. I thought only famous people
Didn't you read the paper? Due to Dr. Joyce Brothers' last-minute cancellation, there's one spot left, and they may fill with local talent. That's us! That's some of us. I guess we're ready. Oh, please, please, please don't let anything go wrong today. I guess there's nothing else to do but say, break a leg, everybody. So, break a leg, everybody. What happened?
My ankle! Oh, good! I got my first aid patch last
Sweet.
Wait for me!
I know CPR too. Oh, great. Just perfect. This had to happen when Data Talent Scout is coming. Where are we ever going to find a last-minute replacement?
Hi, I'm Bobby. Your new next door neighbor. We just moved here from St. Louis.
Great. Can you sing? Can you dance?
Well,
You'll learn.
I just can't believe I dropped off these brownies for my mom.
Make me proud, kiddo. You're going up in the new kid on the block. You're coming back to star.
Be brave, Lars.
I stole my tool, I heard there's a kid my age who lives here.
You must be thinking of my sister Katie. She's at the Michigan Winter Olympics in Asante.
Well, it's heard I moved next door to the best piano player in town. Do you give lessons?
You must be thinking of my sister Myra. I'm sure you can talk to her after the show.
Well, then you must be that great drummer I heard practicing this morning. You sound great.
You must be thinking of my brother Joe.
Well then, who are you?
I am Edwina Jr, advice giver extraordinaire. Perhaps you've heard of me?
Not really.
Would you like to be in our show?
No thanks.
No thanks necessary. Now, Bobby, we'll just get you started on the opera and the big tap number, and you can't eat fire by any chance, can you?
Fire?
Gee, Edwina, can't you see he doesn't want to do it?
A little stage fright never hurt anyone. Oh, just forget it. Hold the curtain. Take 5, everybody. I'm going to think about what to do.
Gee, Edwina, this is really important to you, isn't it?
You couldn't possibly understand. When Katie's good at math, she gets a big fat A. That's tacked up on my family's Frigidaire. And at every music contest, Joe and Milo take the prize. On the freezer there are ribbons everywhere. And I'm proud to be their sister, but it really makes me blue that there isn't any prize for telling people what to do, except an invitation to Kalamazoo.
Kalamazoo?
Home of the world-famous Kalamazoo Advice-A-Palooza Festival. Do you know what an invitation means, Bobby? A chance to finally be where I belong. Up on the fridge is where I want to be, just like Katie and Myra and Joe. There's a white plastic magnet that's just the right size, where my new invitation can go. And then every morning I'll open the door, get some OJ or milk, and I'll see what I dreamed of and wished for and hoped for and prayed for, the prize that belongs to me. My parents are proud, but they don't understand. You can't hold a pat on the back in your hand. But up on the fridge, how I long for the day I can point to the door and say, gee, there's Katie and Myra and Myra and Myra and Joe and Katie and Joe and me.
Well, what's everybody standing around for? It's showtime! Direct from beautiful downtown Paw Paw, Michigan, in the Spoon Apple Repertory Theater is proud to present in their latest performance in their first season. We ask that no flash photography be used.
We'll keep that movie film rolling, Grandma.
And now, the advice giver extraordinaire, able to solve problems of all shapes, sizes, and subjects, an undisputed queen of my heart, Sky. Sorry, here she comes now, our own beautiful